Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on PeopleSoft. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mypsft.wns.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PeopleSoft login portal for employees. Now within the user ID box, type in the user ID that you have used while creating your account and then enter your password within the password box. After entering both of your credentials, you can select your language from the language drop-down menu and then click on the sign in button, which will sign you in to your account on the Oracle PeopleSoft. In case you forgot your password, you will need to contact the HR department for Oracle or the support team to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your PeopleSoft HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.